How's it going, C2 fans? Today we're going to look at some of the best signals on Collective2 that are 100% free. That's right, there's no catch, no sign-up fees or anything like that. Just free signals from the talented strategy managers at Collective2. Why free? Well, likely because many of them are looking to build a following on the platform, and what better way to do that than by sharing their trades free of charge. And there are many such signal providers on C2, but today we're going to look at two that I personally like the most, so let's take a look at those. And by the way, I'll post a video link in the description that explains how to find more managers with free signals on the platform yourselves. The first strategy that currently offers free signals is Episodic Pivot by Mike M5, which you see in the background. All you have to do is click the button that says subscribe, no monthly fee, and you can elect to have all signals delivered in real time via text or email. And on the strategy page, you can see the track record with all the essential statistics, including a nice graph of his track record. Something to keep in mind is at C2, we label all track records as hypothetical. That's because even for those strategies where people follow signals in real life brokerage accounts, everyone receives slightly different prices from their brokers. So there's no single brokerage account that looks exactly like a track record on Collective2. That's why even in those cases where people follow a strategy in real life accounts, we still label that track record as hypothetical. But that said, one of the nice features about Collective2 is that when people do auto trade using a real life brokerage account, what C2 shows in the hypothetical trade by trade track record is a mathematical average of real prices that real people receive in their brokerage accounts whenever that data is available. With that out of the way, all you have to do to find this strategy once you log into your free Collective2 account is type the name of this strategy in the search bar on the top. And once you're on the strategy page, you can scroll down lower to see a detailed history of closed trades with prices, P&L, as well as times and dates of the entries and exits. Let me ask you this. When's the last time you used a signal service with this level of transparency? There's also a description tab where the manager explains what the heck their strategy is all about. Before we take a look at the other strategy I really liked, you might have noticed that this strategy manager trades big name stocks. Some strategy managers trade small caps, some trade Forex, others trade options and futures. Some strategies trade a mix of different instruments. No two strategies are alike, so keep that in mind. The next manager with free signals currently is USA Stocks by Enrico Dentino, and he also has a very healthy looking strategy, I'd say. And just like the previous strategy manager we looked at, Enrico also has the Trades Own Strategy certification. What this means is Enrico is risking his own real money on the trades that you see on his page. Again, I want to ask you when the last time was you encountered a signal service with this level of transparency. If you've made it this far, thanks for checking out our channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will personally answer them. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button to show us your appreciation. I'll see you in the next one.